Hey folks, get ready because the Xiaomi Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G is turning heads again, and it's not even out yet. Slated for a September release, this phone is already making waves with some killer upgrades. First up, let's talk charging. Rumor has it, straight from a 3C listing, that the Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G will support 90W wired charging. That's a whopping 34% improvement over the Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G. So, if you're tired of waiting around for your phone to juice up, this one's got you covered. Now let's dive into the heart of the device, the chipset. The word on the street is that Xiaomi's packing this bad boy with the new Snapdragon 7S Gen 3. Qualcomm just announced it, and it's bringing some serious heat. 20% better CPU, 40% better GPU, and it's 12% more power efficient. So, whether you're gaming or multitasking, expect some smooth sailing. But wait, there's more. The Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G is expected to feature a triple camera setup. However, here's the twist. The camera configuration might differ depending on where you get it. In China, you might find a macro camera, but in other markets you could see a telephoto camera instead. It's like Xiaomi's giving us a little regional flavor. These leaks are getting everyone hyped, but remember, this info hasn't come directly from Xiaomi yet, it's all coming from regulatory bodies and leaks, so take it with a grain of salt. So to recap, 90W charging, Snapdragon 7S Gen 3, and a versatile triple camera setup. The Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G is shaping up to be a serious contender. Keep your eyes peeled for more updates and get ready for the official drop. That's all for now, folks. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more tech updates. Catch you later.